For this section, we will focus on the K-12 student standards and unpacking the TEKS. So we'll start with our instructions, and this gives us a brief overview for what we should be doing. We're going to select our garden TEK, identify our content standards and our tech app standards, and we are going to use a Google Doc to unpack the TEKs. So for this, each section we're going to fill in for right here. The very first thing is to go to the garden TEKs. So you can either click next or use the link provided. So for the garden TEKs, for the garden topics, I have already selected my topic. I chose mathematics. So I would like to use ratios to measure garden solutions for Miracle-Gro. So I am going to go ahead and go to my idea template, and I am going to use ratios to and then the tech TEKs, there's two ways to get there. You can kind of, if you're new to the TEKs, first I've put some information for what TEKs are. We can go for the content TEKs are here for math, science, social studies. For the tech app TEKs, we are going to the TEA website. I am actually doing middle school, so I'm going to select 7th grade. And for 7th grade, I selected 5D, or I want to practice, or I'm doing 5C actually. So I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to go over here and put it in my tech app TEKs. It's going to be 7, 5. And for the unpacking the TEKs content, I'm going to come back over here. There's a few ways you can use the TEA website as we've just done, or if you're doing one of the core subjects such as math, reading, science, or social studies, you can use the quick links right here. I'm going to math, and then I chose 7-4D to solve problems with ratio and rates. I'm going to copy that and paste it directly into the lesson. Now for the unpacking the TEKs, there's some really good information here. There's some videos and how to actually use the IQ tools and how to look at the scaffold for what they've learned before and their academic vocabulary that they'll need now. I've already unpacked my TEKs on the document. I'm going to click share. Make sure anyone with the link can be a viewer or a commenter. And then from there, you'll just link directly right here. And that completes the K-12 student standards section.